Then Krishna told, who has come? Asked his name. Then gatekeeper came and asked Brahma, what is your name? Then Brahmaji, he told, my name is Brahma. Then gatekeeper again came in front of Krishna, told Brahma has come. And he wants to meet with you. Then Krishna asked to gatekeeper, asked him, which Brahma? Then gatekeeper came and again asked Brahma, which Brahma are you? Which Brahma? Which Brahma are you? Then Brahma's mind head started to spinning. Huh? Which Brahma means? Or I am Brahma. Always he is thinking I am only one Brahma. So, but he told, okay, tell to your master, Krishna, I am four-headed Brahma, the father of four Kumara, Chatushan. Sanatana, Sanat Kumar. Then gatekeeper again came and told to Krishna, Chaturmukh Brahma, and he is the father of four Kumaras. He has come, he wants to meet with you. Then Krishna said, okay, bring him. Then Brahmaji, he came in the place of Krishna, and that place is called Sudharma place. You understand? Sudharma place. And Krishna is sitting there. Then Krishna is alone. Then Brahmaji paid his obeisances. And then Krishna asked, Brahma, how are you? And okay, I am okay. But I have one question in my heart. Then Krishna told, what is your question? What is your question? Then Brahmaji, he asked Krishna, you asked your, what is your name? Doorkeeper asked me, which Brahma? Which Brahma? That means, except me, others Brahma. Then Krishna smiled. Krishna did not give answer. Then Krishna just closed his eyes. Then millions heads of Brahma, millions heads of Shiva, millions heads of Indra, Darpal, gatekeeper, all they came. And all they paid their obeisances to the feet of Krishna. But some miracle is happening. This four-headed Brahma, he is looking to others. Understand? But others Brahma, they did not see to each other. You understand these things? And just they paid the obeisances to the feet of Krishna, and they are the crowns, touching to each other and making sound. This four-headed Brahma, they say, understand? 8-headed Brahmas came. 8-headed Brahma, 16-headed Brahma, thousand, millions-headed Brahma, and their body also is yours. Very gigantic body. All they came and they went. Not only Brahma, Shiv, Narad, Shiv, Dikpal, Indra, all they came. Then Brahma said, oh my God. In front of others Brahma, or this four-headed Brahma look like one small mosquito. Hasti nikot jaiche masak. In front of the elephant as like small mosquito. So this four-headed Brahma is as like small mosquito. And then Krishna asked all the Brahmas one by one, and how are you? That okay, Lord, we are very happy, and you are always protect to us. Then Krishna told, okay, we will go back. Then all Brahmas, they return back. Again, this four-headed Brahma, this Chaturmukh Brahma, he came in front of Krishna. Then again he paid his obeisance to Krishna. Oh, now all my doubts dispelled from my heart. Understand? So for this guy, Brahmaji, he is saying the Janante va janantu bhukta me. One who says, I know all tattva siddhanta. I know this thing. Actually, he does not know anything. Because Bhagavad Tattva no. Athapi deva padambujadeva prasadulesanu grita ivahi janati tattang bhagwan mahimno na channam eko opi chiran vichanna. Brahma stuti. Learn this version now. Follow. Everything you know. So what said you learn? अथाति देव पदम्बुजदय प्रसादलेशानु गृहीत एव हि जनाति तत्तं भगवान् महिम्न न चान्नं एकोऽपि चिरन् विचेन्नन्. And one who says, I know all the Tattva Siddhanta, but all philosophy, actually, he does not know anything. Not possible. Because Lord is called, what is called? Inconceivable and achinta and also infinite. Ananta. Taha possible. So saying, athati padam, you receive his mercy. Showing athati deva padam jadeva prasadulena sanam grita iva janati tattang bhagwan mahimna channam ekopi chiran vichanna. Bhagavad Tattva, Krishna Tattva is very, very complicated, not so easy to understand. What will we speak? First we are speaking, because Shastra is saying, we are speaking. Brahma cannot understand, Shivji cannot understand. Even Lord, his last fraction, that is called Anantadev Bhagavan. Understand? That is called Ananta Bhagavan. Ananta Bhagavan he says also. And I can't understand also. This is humility, but this is true. Because who can glorify his Lord, Krishna? Ananta mukhe ananta napai taharales. Even the Lord, Ananta means ineffable mouth. He glorifies to him, but he says, I cannot explain. So now is this, Tattva is this. Philosophy is this. So actually I return back this Tattva. Jiva is called Anu Chaitanya, Lord is called Brihat Chaitanya. Then I explained about Chaitanya means conscious being. Where is the conscious being? There are three things are there. What are the three things? Feeling, willing and knowing. And feeling, willing and knowing. This is the Jiva is also these things. Conscious being this. Anu Chaitanya, Brihat Chaitanya. And Jiva is called also part and parcel of Lord. A part will never equal the whole. But the part belongs to the whole. This is the geometrical Tattva Siddhanta. Understand? So Jiva is a part and parcel. So Jiva will never become Brahma. Because impartially saying, I am Brahma. Actually, Jiva will never become Brahma. Because Jiva is what saying this way. And the part and parcel. So the one part will never equal the whole. But this part belongs to the whole. This is true. These things. Tattva Siddhanta is. So that means conclusion, Jiva will never become Brahma. This is the thing. Simple, right? Our Lord is Brahma. Another meaning, Lord Brahma, when you use this word Brahma, the Sanskrit word Brahma, the Sanskrit word is Brihan Dhatu. The verbal root, Brihan means Brihat. Brihat means great, unique and unparalleled. Bring hoti, bring hayati, iti Brahma. Understand? So now coming in this way, where we are saying the Brahma. Brahma means the general meaning everybody knows. Brahma, that is called effulgence body of Lord. Brahma Sabda, this thing. So now Oishcharya, Virja, Jasa, Sri, Gyan, Vairagya. These are four. Six opulence of Lord. If you say anybody saying, I am Bhagavan, have these 6 opulence? You have 6 opulence? No. So you cannot become Bhagavan. Aishwarya, Virya, Jasa. Jasa means full of name, fame, reputation. Bhagavan. Aishwarya, Virya, Jasa, Sri. Sri means beauty. Understand? Krishna's beauty is unique and unparalleled. Which Krishna? Vrindavan Samsundar. Everything give evidence. Krishna has 64 qualifications. Which Krishna? Vrindavan Samsundar Krishna. He has 64 qualifications. 64 gun. Jivas has 50 qualifications, but very, very minute. Or other demigod, they have 50, but more quantities of Jivas. Or Lord Shiva has 55 qualifications. Understand? Or Narayan, Vaikuntha Adhipati, Narayan has 60 qualifications. Ramchandra has 62 and half. Understand? Vrindavan Krishna, he has 64 qualifications. And that 64 qualifications unique and non-parallel. And 4 qualifications that are extraordinary. And when you discuss about Vrindavan Samsundar, he is called Swayam Bhagavan. He has 64 qualifications and also 4 extraordinary qualifications. So they are Rupa Madhurya, Lila Madhurya, Venu Madhurya and Prema Madhurya. So this coming, this what is called? Rupa Madhurya, sweetness of his beauty. That sweetness of beauty, Rupa Madhurya, is unique and unparalleled. Even all his incarnation, these types of beauty. Same Krishna, he manifests in the form of Ramachandra. But Krishna's beauty is also unique and unparalleled. Ramachandra's beauty is also good, but when you compare with Krishna, Krishna's beauty unique and unparalleled. Even what will say to Krishna, Ramchandra, even Vasudev Krishna, Dargadhish Krishna, always hankering, take darshan to Vrindavan Krishna. Vrindavan Krishna's beauty. So far, Chaitanya Charitamrita Krishna Das Kaviraj explained. And Krishner Madhuri dekhi Vasudevir Khov. Vasudev Krishna, Dargadhish Krishna, or Mathuradhish Krishna, Vasudev Krishna, who is the son of Vasudev Maharaj. Devaki Nandan. Devaki Nandan Krishna, Mathuradhish Krishna, or Dargadhish Krishna. Hankering, how to take darshan, the beautiful form of Vajanandan Krishna. So Vajanandan Krishna's beauty is unique and unparalleled. So this beauty, Aishwarya, Virya, Jasa, Sri. Sri means beauty. Krishna's beauty. Which Krishna? Vrindavan Samsundar Krishna's beauty is unique and unparalleled. Even all his incarnation or hankering took darshan to Vrindavan Samsundar. Beauty of Vrindavan Samsundar. Look there. Kastrangate kalapadam mrita benu godija druma hirana pulakana vibramam. So they go told. And even in Braj, everybody to hankering to take darshan the beauty of Vrindavan Samsundar Krishna. Dibhuj Muralidhar. Nandanandan Krishna. Already remember which Krishna? Nandanandan Krishna. And this day. This Krishna. Jasodanandan. Jasodanandan Samsundar. Not Devaki Nandan. Jasodanandan. The son of Mother Jasoda. Jasodanandan Krishna. And again we will go more. Krishna. Which Krishna? And Radha Kanta Krishna. So you are pranam mantri. Hey Krishna, Karuna Sindhu, Dina Bandhu, Jagatpate, Gopesha, Gopika Kanta, then Radha Kanta Namaste. Radha Kanta means with the beloved of Srimati Radhika. Same Rama Ramanam Sundrata Varishta Sundarja Mahita Samasta Jagat Janasya Shamasya Bama Buddhatanu Kadang Tam Indra Birva Bharama. Rupa Goswami Pad Koti these verse. When Krishna, he manifests his very beautiful unique form in Ras dance with Srimati Radhika. That time Krishna's form is unique and unparalleled. Why? Because Srimati Radhika is there. Srimati Radhika's form is unique and unparalleled. So saying, Same Rama Ramanam Sundrata Varishta Sundarja Mahita Samasta Jagat Janas. So which beauty is higher? Srimati Radhika. Understand? Srimati Radhika's beauty higher than Krishna. But Krishna manifests in there also. Because Krishna manifests his beautiful form according to his devotee. Srimati Radhika's beauty is unique and unparalleled. So for this, Krishna also manifests in that. And both also Jugal Judi Sarkar ki. Jugal Judi Sarkar, understand? One day I will be explaining. Jugal Judi Sarkar. What is it called? English term? Jugal Sarkar. And Kolais government.
Governo de coalizão. Governo da coalizão.
Coalition means it. Both party. Or make the Sarkar. Here Sarkar, government. Here the Srimati Radhika and Krishna. And Krishna's beauty and Srimati Radhika. Okay. But when you compare, then you can see Srimati Radhika's beauty is unique and unparalleled. So why am I saying? Because Krishna's beauty is unique, unparalleled. What do you say to the others? Ramchandra's form, that is called what form? No, his form. His form, that is called I don't know. And youthful form, but that one there is a little bit aged form. And Krishna, Bhajanandana Samsundar Krishna, always Navajauvanancha. Advaitam Achyutam Anadi Ananta Rupam. Addam Purasam Puranam Purustam Navajauvanancha. Vedesu Durlabh Adurlabh Atma Bhaktesu Govindam Adi Purusham Tamaham Bhajami. Very nice. Bhajanandana Samsundar Navajauvanancha. Understand? So now, Jasodanandan Bal Gopal Sarup. Then, and Krishna's manifested form with his friends, they call Subal Krishna. Subal Krishna means friends of Krishna. And Subal. That is another form. But when Navajauvanancha, Krishna always staying with the gopis with his very nice, beautiful, youthful form. That form is the origin form actually. Now coming, which Krishna's origin form is the topmost form? That is called Radha Ras Bihari. Understand? Radha Ras Bihari Krishna. That form. When Krishna performs sweet Ras Leela with gopis and headed by Srimati Radhika, that Krishna form is topmost. And so he is called Radha Ras Bihari. Krishna he is called Rasa Bihari. Understand? As Srimati Radhika she is called Raseswari. Raseswari Vinodini Bhanukula Chandra. So Raseswari and Ras Bihari Krishna. So that means Adi is saying this. Krishna's beauty. Oishwarya, Virja, Jasa, Sri. Krishna's Sri means beauty is unique and unparalleled. That is called Ras Bihari Krishna. And when Krishna was staying with Srimati Radhika in the Ras dance, and that Krishna's beauty is unique and unparalleled. So Oishwarya, Virja, Jasa, Sri or Gyan. Gyan means knowledge. Krishna has vast of knowledge. He knows all language. And Gyan. All kinds of Chid Gyan, Jada Gyan. All kinds of knowledge here. Complete. Because Krishna is called Purna. Purna Gyan. Understand? Then again also explain Purna, Purnatara, Purnatama. Many. Our Jiva Goswami Pada explained this. Bhajanandana Samsandar. Yes. And Jnana and then Vairagya. Vairagya means is what? Renounce and detach. How do you prove he is completely detached from others? First he detached from all the material things. He resides everywhere or he does not stay anywhere. Give an example as like lotus staying in the water, but lotus not touch the water. In the same way, Lord, he resides everywhere, but completely detached. Or another, detached to everybody. How to prove? Krishna performs sweet leela with the gopis. Topmost leela, that is called Rasa leela. But Krishna left Vrindavan and came in Mathura. And he did not return back to Vrindavan also, according to the conception of Srimad Bhagavad Vichar. Krishna did not go back to Vrindavan. Understand? Krishna completely detached. Look. If you love someone, then if what is called separate, then very difficult to tolerate. This is true or wrong? This is true or wrong? If your girlfriend, boyfriend, or wife, husband separate, very difficult to tolerate your mind. You become crazy. Take some time to fix your mind. And until you return back another girlfriend or another boyfriend, very difficult to fix your mind. This is true or wrong? Or Krishna, look this. And he gave love and affection to everybody. And performed sweet leela with the gopis. But he left Vrindavan. Even he did not send one message to the gopis also. Look. He did not come and also did not send any message to them. Look this. So this is called his renunciation. Same Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Krishna. Mahaprabhu, look. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Nimai, a very learned scholar, they call Nimai Pandit. Has vast of knowledge. Everybody gave respect to him, Nimai Pandit. Look this. And he intoxicated all the residents of Navadvip with his love and affection. But he took sannyas. Could you take sannyas? If we listen the name of sannyas, then we after it. Sannyas is very, very far. If I tell you, but brahmachari. Oh, no. Take saffron cloth, red cloth, then you are afraid. As afraid or truth, not here. Yes, right. What is the sannyas? Okay. But Krishna, And so renunciation. That is called vairagya. Vairagya these days. How to detach from it. So the Krishna is this, who is Bhagavan, who has 6 opulence. This. Vaishwarja, Virja, Jasa, Sri, Gyan, and Vairagya. And then how do you prove he is called Swayam Bhagavan? Bhagavan, he is Bhagavan, okay. Who has 6 opulence, he is called Bhagavan. But how will you prove? The Krishna, Vrindavan Samsundar, he is called Swayam Bhagavan. One is called Bhagavan and is called Swayam Bhagavan. Here Swayam Sabda. One is called Bhagavan. Ramchandra is Bhagavan. Vishnu also is Bhagavan. All the incarnations, they are also Bhagavan. So why use this word? Krishna is called Swayam Bhagavan. Because Srimad Bhagavatam. What the slok? Kala. Eta changsa kalapungsa Krishnastu Swayam Bhagavan. Swayam Bhagavan. Swayam Bhagavan. যাহার ভগবত্তা হইতে অন্যের ভগবত্তা তা কহে স্বয়ং ভগবান। হ্যাঁ, রাম নৃসিংহ কলকি বলতে all they also are manifested from Vrindavan Samsundar Krishna. হ্যাঁ, রামাদি মূর্তেষু কলা নিয়মেন তিষ্ঠন নানাবতারো মকরুত ভুবনেষু কিন্তু কৃষ্ণ সমভবৎ পরম পুমানজো Govindam Adi Purusam Tamaham Bhajami. Govindam Adi Purusam Tamaham Bhajami. Govindam Adi Purusam Tamaham Bhajami. Brahma Samhita gives evidence. Ramadi Murtisu Kala Niyamana Tishtan. Ram, Nrsimha, Kalki, Avatar, all the incarnations manifested from. And for this regard, he is called Sarva Avatari. And one is called Avatar, one is called Avatari. Avatar means incarnation. Avatar means the source of incarnation. You understand? Avatari means
the source of all incarnation.
The source of all incarnation. So Ram, Bhagavan Krishna, Vrindavan Krishna, he is called Avatari. He is not Avatar. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also is called Avatari, because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is not been Krishna. Ramchandra is Avatar, not Avatari, because in the Brahma Samhita proof, Ramadi Murtisu Kalani Manatishtannan Avataru Mukurud Bhuvanesu Gantu. This verse very clearly explained. The Vrindavan Samsundar Krishna is called Avatari. So remember, Avatar and Avatar. If I tell more also explanation in Laghu Bhagavatamritam, Rupa Goswami Pad explain, Jiva Goswami Pad explain in Sandarbha, and Krishna Sandarbha or Krishna Sandarbha, Tattva Sandarbha, no, what is it called? Bhagavat Sandarbha, very nice. You cannot digest. Just you listen. Maybe someone listen, someone can understand. If you understand good or no understand, no problem. But some sanskar also coming. Understand? You cannot lose anything. If you not understand, also you cannot lose. And maybe one birth, one life, you may understand. Understand? So now Krishna, now coming in this our subject, the Ananta Padmanabh. Who is called Ananta Padmanabh? So Vrindavan Samsundar, his last fraction, that is called Ananta Padmanabh. Chaturbhuj Narayan. And who is laying on the ocean, what is it called? Cause of the ocean, Karan Samudra. Then, and lotus manifest from his navel. And then Brahmaji also manifested in his lotus, navel of the lotus, Navi Padma. Look. So that Ananta Padmanabha. So now coming in here. Swayam Roop Tadekad Roop Avish. Swayam Rupe Braje Brajendra Nandan. And his last fraction, that is called Ananta Padmanabha, Anantadi Bhagavan Narayan. So now coming in this way, Gopkumar, he arrives Ananta Padmanabha. They get Trivandrum. Now is that is called Trivandrum, no? Very nice, beautiful temple is there. And very huge temple. And if you go, 7 doors are there. And most of the South Indian temple, 7 doors. Have you been there? If you go, not easily, one by one.
Village can go inside?
No, I tried.
I don't know. I think.
Yeah. No, I went there, they don't allow.
I
went with my father.
You went there?
Yeah, they didn't allow.
Yeah.
In Tirupati, yes, you can enter.
But some temple Balaji going. There are Guruvaya temple.
So, Ananta Padmanabha. Very nice. So now coming in this way, Gopkumar, time is over, no?
Then how? Midday prayer.
Actually, I told that section I didn't know. Brahma, Paramatma and Bhagavan. Brahma is effulgence. Or Brahma is origin meaning, that is called Swayam Bhagavan Krishna. Brahma Sabdi Mukharte Kwayam Bhagavan. Or Paramatma, super soul, who resides in the heart of all the living entities. And everywhere he resides. That is called Paramatma, super soul. Or Brahma, Paramatma and Bhagavan. Bhagavan who has 6 opulent Bhagavan. And so, what do you say?
Saying how to prove that the principal meaning of Brahma is Bhagavan.
Bhagavan, who has 6 opulence is Bhagavan. Or then, Swayam Bhagavan, Brajendra Samsundar Krishna. Jahar Bhagavatta huite anner Bhagavatta. Swayam Bhagavan tarikahe. Chaitanya Chaitamrita. All the incarnation manifested from him. And he is called Swayam Bhagavan. All the incarnation, Ram, Nisima, Kulka, all the manifested from Krishna. So Krishna is called Swayam Bhagavan. And he is called Avatari, not Avatar. And he is called Avatar, and he is called Avatari. So now coming in this way, so our subject is that Ananta Padmanabha. So Gopkumar, when he arrived, Ananta Padmanabha, that temple is a golden temple, very beautiful temple is there. Because Brihad Bhagavata Sanatana Goswami explained that temple and what is called organized and ruled by king himself. King all his wealth money invested and maintained the temple. The rules is there. What are the rules in the Ananta Padmanabha temple? Every subject resident, they have to come take darshan to Ananta Padmanabha, especially Mangalarati. Everybody have to come take darshan to Thakurji. No excuse. If you say, I have no money, I cannot go. So Lord King himself arranged all kinds of facilities. Very nice, beautiful. If you say, I have no money, I have to go, then king arrange. All kinds of facilities there. And convenience, you can go. Take darshan every day. And the 3 doors are there. First door, you can see lotus feet of Bhagavan, Lord. That is called Charan Kamal Darshan. Then in the middle, that is called Navi Kamal Darshan. You can take darshan, the lotus navel of Lord. Navi Kamal Darshan. Already I told that they want lotus and stem. Then in the blossom of the lotus, Brahmaji, he will manifest. That thing.
Sibling also there. Right hand sibling.
Then coming in this way, and third door, that is called Lord. Very nice, beautiful face. Mukharavinda darshan. 3 doors. So first darshan, that is called Charan Kamal. Actually, this is the process. You cannot take darshan to Lord first. What is called? Face. Understand? Even in Kormi Vadis, if you see any person, first you see his feet. This is the process. Don't you direct to see his face. Then Narad Rishi Harimukh will come. Understand? This is the process also. If you see any person, first you see which feet. You have no lotus feet. So just you see the feet. Charan darshan. Then Mukha darshan. And if you meet any person, even the mundane person, you have to first see his feet.
It's so hard for them. We are used to looking.
Huh?
No, it's very beautiful, but needs practice for that. I mean, for us. Generally, we are used to looking
straight.
No. If any new person is coming, understand? So first you see his feet. Understand? Why is saying this? Actually, these Puranas say one verse, and then all his bad things will not affect your body. If you see his face direct, then his what is it called?
Evil eyes. Evil eyes? Bad energy?
Bad things also. Bad things, bad energy affect your body. Understand? Yeah, this is the truth. And if you don't know that person, first you see his face, then his bad energy, maybe ghost, maybe something in there, and that will also come to you.
But if you look to the feet first, that's a process, purifying process.
They are not coming. They are not coming. There is one sloka in there also. Just I forget these slokas. And if you see one person, mundane person, Vaishnava, I am not saying the Vaishnava. But if you see the mundane person, first your side should be, eyesight will go feet. Then all that person's any bad or evils energy will not attack you. Understand? This is the process of. Otherwise, bad energy will come. Then you have to suffer. Understand? So I am saying because same rule is also, but Lord has no bad energy, nothing. All good things, also good things, and reflect your body, good or not. So first this is called Charan Darshan, and everybody's.
It's very difficult to understand how Lakshman did not see the face of Sita.
Sita Devi. Oh, Lakshman. Lakshman, he had one special, what is called, mystic power. That is called, without taking darshans, name.
No, face of Sita, Gurudev, for 14 years, he's saying, not just
I'm saying because of this look at the feet. She said it's difficult for us to
difficult for you, but not difficult for Lakshman Guru Tattva.
It's difficult for me to understand how Lakshman, whole life, he did not look once.
Whole life, not 14th years. In the 14th years in the forest. Shuddha Banavad. That only the 14 years.
He did not look once in the face of Sita.
Actually 13 years, because 1 year, almost 1 year in the, what is it called, Asok Batika. So 13 years, actually. Huh? When you are saying 14th years, but actually you are 30 years. Huh? This is true.
But did Lakshman look at the face of Sita Devi once in his life? I understand wrongly.
No, yeah, he said before he looked only for 13 years during the exile. Before he had looked.
Here the saying.
He never looked at the face of him.
No. This is not.
Okay.
This is not the. Here saying Ramayana is saying, who can kill to who can what is called defeat to Indrajit. So one who doesn't see the ladies 14 years. You are saying 14 years. Or this is Lakshman, you are staying in the forest. And 14 years. Actually 13 years. Because 1 year almost Sita Devi kidnapped by Ravana. And Sita Devi, she was staying in Asok Batika. So, this is the thing.
Also not sleeping.
And also he did not sleep 14 years. He did not eat anything also. What do you see? Or he did not eat it 14 years. 14 years, 13 years he did not see the face of Sita Devi. Not Sita Devi, any lady is actually saying. Not saying that Sita Devi. Not mention Sita Devi. Mention any lady. 14 years. But okay, it is possible. If you are saying this is impossible, but how possible? How we will recognize? 14 years he did not eat also. 14 years he did not sleep. Understand? If he today will not do breakfast, then so much hungry. But Lakshman, because Bhagavan is. You cannot to argument these things. Lakshman is Bhagavan or not? Same Baladev Prabhu. Or Baladev Prabhu not different from Krishna also. Same Lakshman is not different from Ramchandra. Bhagavan. For this regard, possible? Possible is impossible, impossible, possible. Jiva is not possible. So don't you think too much. Then you become crazy. Understand? Don't think too much. And chant holy name, be happy. Okay, now finished. Take breakfast. So Gopkumar, he arrived in Ananta Padmanabh. Then he saw how is beautiful form of Ananta Padmanabh, Bhagavan. And his beauty. And all his dancing, singing, many kinds of this going on this way. And they are prasad here, free prasad. No pay anything. Because king himself arranged all. That seva is called Rajasik Seva. Raj Seva. Raj Seva, royal service.
The honor.
This is the thing. And Brahmanas, they following all the rules and regulations. So Gopkumar, he noticed this and there's so much eagerness will come. He have to serve to Ananta Padmanabha. Then these are coming in the heart of Gopkumar. Gopkumar in his life, he always chanted Naam and Mantra. Shri Krishna Gopala Hare Mukunda Govinda He Nanda Kishora Krishna Ha Sri Jasoda Tanaya Prasida Shri Vallavi Jivana Radhikesh. And Gopal Mantra, Sadakya Gopal Mantra. Gopkumar, he told, hey Madhur Brahman, one day just even thinking, when you are chanting this mantra, Gopal Mantra, yeah, I want to serve to Ananta Padmanabha. These are coming. Then Lord arranged for him. Then Lord Ananta Padmanabha came in the, he had come in the dream of king. Told he, king, listen, after your death, Gopkumar, he will be the in charge of and the king of Ananta Padmanabh. Then king himself wrote one, what is called? Documents. And Dalil, documents. After my death, Gopkumar, he will be the king and temple commander of this Ananta Padmanabh. And that king also, he has no sons and daughters. For this regard, king himself wrote one documents. Dalil, for Gopkumar. Then after few days, king left body. Then Gopkumar, he became the king of Ananta Padmanabh and the temple commander. But one thing, in the temple, Brahmanas, they always controlling. Understand? That time, Brahmanas, they are very strong. Brahman, they control the king. Understand? That's this also, they know. What is it called? Christian tradition also going on. That the what is it called? Those who are they also control priest.
The priest and the pope.
They also control the king. Okay, what I'm saying, you have to do. Bishops. This thing.
Italian Vatican.
So in the same way, Gopkumar, he noticed, though he is the king of Ananta Padmanabh, and he is arranging thing, but the Brahmanas, they follow all the rules and regulations. So Gopkumar's mind very disturbed. Why? Because the two things, Gopkumar's mind disturbed in Ananta Padmanabh, two things. First, he noticed, Brahmanas, they are very strict with their rules and regulations, Vaidhi Bhakti. And one person is coming from very far, take darshan to Lord. But time is over, then the Brahmanas, they close. No allowed to open the door. Gopkumar, he noticed these things. And even your king, they not also allow. Because rules are rules, rules for everybody. Gopkumar, he noticed this thing. He is the king of Ananta Padmanabh. But Brahmana, they are very strict. And another thing, the Varnashram Dharma, very strict. Understand? Brahmana is going this side go that thing. But Gopkumar is thinking, everybody belongs to Lord. So why Brahmanas? They discriminate. You are a Brahman, you are Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says, Chatur Varna Maya system, Guna Karma Vibhagasam. According to their karma and gun, quality, they will belong to that Varna and Ashram. But Brahmana, they are thinking, no, we are Brahmana. One who takes birth to Brahman family, he will become Brahmana. But Gopkumar's mind very disturbed. In the temple, everybody can come. Everybody take darshan to Lord. But Brahmana is saying, no, only Brahman can go this way, they are discriminate. Everybody can take darshan, but not mixed together. Understand? You are Shudra, you should be far from Brahmana. Understand? So Gopkumar mind very disturbed. Even the same tradition is going on Jagannath Puri. If you are pure devotee of Lord, but if you are not Hindu, they are not allowed. Or another person is Hindu, but not following any rules. Maybe eating and cow meat, and he can go. Why? Look this. Because they are so much, what is called, they are stubborn in their own rules. If you go still also see tradition is going on Jagannath Puri.
He asked him, Maharaj Ji, go to.
Huh? One hand is good, or another hand also bad. This is true. Huh? What are the good things? Everybody can go. What are the good things? Otherwise, no one follow the Varnashram Dharma. Everybody will come mleccha and everybody will go. Huh? Understand? One hand, sometimes also people also debate. They also arguing. So why not? Why the Lord made this rule? Only Hindu people can go, Malaysia cannot go. Actually, Hindu means those who belongs to Varna and Ashram, they can go. Actually, this is the rule. Those who are the outside of Varna Ashram, they cannot go. Good things is that it rules, good things rules. Otherwise, no one can follow the Varna Ashram Dharma. Just drinking alcohol and coming. Eating meat, eating what is called? Cow meat and coming. Even not in law dharma, also Muslim they also do. And if you are Hindu, they are not allowed to go to Kaaba. Kaaba, understand? How is Kaaba in what is called? Mecca. Understand? There are also rules this way. They not allow any caste or any what is called. Only Muslim can go. There are also rules. Anyhow, I'm just trying to explain this. Otherwise, who will follow the rules and regulation? If you go free, chalo. Gaudiya Math, chalo everybody. No problem. Actually, this rule is coming from God, Bhagavan. He knows. This is actually they did not make this rule. This rules is coming from ancient times, Satya Yugas. Understand? Many devotees are saying, why we are not going? Why not? This answer cannot give. Answer can only give Lord. You ask to Lord. Ask to Jagannath. But this is true. If you not follow the rules, then everyone will break the rule. No one can follow the rules. And taking as usual, alcohol in his hand and coming.
Society is spoiled.
Completely spoiled. This is true. And I am not taking any part, but this is the true. Why Lord make this rule? I say, what do you say? Even the Prime Minister of India, Indira Gandhi.
Indira Gandhi did not allow.
The Brahmana did not allow to him. Understand? And he tried to, by force, by force he want to go. Then Lord arranged everything. He
then Panda Singh Maharaj Ji said,
left.
You can kill me, all Panda, 1,000 Panda.
You cannot do that. Lord is all. If you follow these things. This is all. Muslim cannot. They are actually they are saying, oh Hindu. If this is a word. And oh Hindu cannot enter. Otherwise, who is follow the Varnashram Dharma? Tell to me. And everybody is just taking the cow meat and one hand alcohol and go to Jagannath. This is true or wrong? If the pandas allow to everybody, then crazy people all will go. Who can control? This is the true also. On another hand, also, those who are following the rules and regulation, they can go. They are Hindu or non-Hindu, this is not the service. Everybody can take darshan too. I am saying, Gopkumar, when he saw Ananta Padmanabh, And the Brahmanas, they're very strict. And some Varnashram Dharma is there. So Gokumar mind very disturbed. Two reasons. Gokumar mind disturbed in Ananta Padmanabh, though he is the king of Ananta Padmanabh. And how Brahmanas, they control everybody. Or another Varnashram Dharma. And that time, nowadays nothing. So that time that is called Shuddh Vichar. Shuddh Vichar means, Shuddh Vichar understand? And if Brahman, if Shudra touch the shadow of Brahman, then Brahman will become very angry.
If morning see Brahman going, then...
Even what will do, Jagannath Puri, Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya. Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya's place, and there's one tunnel going to Jagannath temple. Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, he did not go in the public way to take darshan to Lord Jagannath. And still there's the tunnel. He gone. If you go Jagannath Puri and take the Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya's place. Who went to Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya? You went? Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya's place. That is called the place of, what is his name? Ganga Mata Goswamini. Shachi Devi. That place, Ganga Mata Goswami. Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya's place. Our Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu manifested his 6 arms. Sarvabhauma. Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya's place actually. The house of Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya. Actually, Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya is Brahman. He did not go public place, public way to take darshan to Jagannath. He used to go the one tunnel, under the ground tunnel. Because that time is the rules, the Brahman cannot touch the shadow of Sudra. These things. Sudra cannot be very far. That time Brahman so too much also control to everything. But Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came, and Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, no, everybody can take darshan to Lord Jagannath. Everybody can. One who chants holy names, he is higher than Brahmana. Aho vato sapachita gariyan jad yagri vartati namatu bam. Te pustapasa susna varcha vinata brahmano churnamam. Srimad Bhagavata gives evidence. One who chants holy names, he is higher than Brahmana. Aho vato sapachato gariyan. Understand? What is the meaning?
One who chants the holy names is higher than Brahman.
Learn these words. Aho vato sapachato gariyan jadiyagri vartate nama tubhyam. Because even the dog eater chants the holy names. He is higher than some Vedi Brahmana. Holy names, how is it powerful? Understand? Dog eater, understand? Mlecha, complete stupid nonsense. Aho vato sapacho, sapach means dog eater. Aho vato sapacho the gariyan. Dog eater is higher than Samavedi Brahman. If dog eater chants the holy name, how you will do? Bhagavat Nam Mahima. If you chant holy names, all your sinful will be destroyed. All your sinful will be destroyed. There are no any kinds of prashchitta. Just I listening Gurudev one lecture, one devotee told Gurudev, I did many sinful activities, did this, and committed offense. So how will I perform these sinful activities and offenses? Then Gurudev will give only one, that is atonement. You have to repent it and chant holy names. Gurudev lecture. You have to repent. Repent, understand? Jagai Madhai bole, ar nare bab. Jagai Madhai says, I will not commit any sinful act and chant holy name. Otherwise, you will not perform an aparad and sinful act. Understand? Chant holy name. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama. Chalo, Ananta Padmanabh. We'll go.
Gurudev, I remember actually they ISKCON devotees they can enter, but they need a letter. They ask us that, like if ISKCON they made some arrangement. If you are ISKCON devotee, you have like a certificate that you are a devotee, then they allow you to enter in Ananta Padmanabh. There, when I went there, they asked, "Oh, you are devotee?" I said, "Yes." And then he told, "But are you from ISKCON?" I said, "No, not from ISKCON." I said, "Oh, but if you were from ISKCON, then there is."
Who is that?
In 2019.
2019.
Yeah, 19.
I never heard. Pandals, they are not allowed.
Yeah, Ananta Padmanabh. Yeah, they told that. I don't know, maybe.
ISKCON devotee now. You are devotee of ISKCON, or this is not the subject. If you non-Hindu, they are not allowed. Simple. Huh? Understand? If you non-Hindu, they are not allowed. Simple. I never heard you the ISKCON devotee. So you can also take one later. Even anybody can take Kazakhstan Muslim.
Just paper?
Just put tilak and say, one day just say to
Muslim can take water.
huh? They say, I never heard. Otherwise everybody will come. ISKCON will get. This is not the passport, taking the passport visa. I never heard it. Maybe you are saying this is the passport visa. Just taking one later and give 50,000 rupees. That person will pay. I never heard. I never. They are not allowed. Who told you this?
There, in the office. No, not Jagannath Puri, in Ananta Padmanabh.
Ananta Padmanabh?
Yeah.
This is not saying Jagannath Puri.
No, Jagannath Puri, never heard.
Ananta Padmanabh, I don't know, this is what their rule is.
Yeah.
Jagannath Puri is very...
Very strict.
जगन्नाथ पुरी तो महाराज जी हम आधार कार्ड नीड आधार कार्ड जी फर्स्ट राइटिंग आधार कार्ड दी चेक आधार कार्ड देन अलाउड
Yeah.
Yeah, Ananta Padmanabh.
Padmanabh.
Like more, less strict. Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, they're less strict.
Some, but Jagannath Puri is very strict.
Yeah.
Huh? First they ask your Gotra. Eh?
No, the Gotra means like a dynasty, like, where you come
What
from.
is his name? 4-5 years before, eh?
Family,
One
né?
devotee.
Tipo, nome da sua família, assim.
Iran. Iran. Just. Huh? Iran. Iraq or Iran?
Yeah, both are Muslim here.
She came in Jagannath Puri with me. Then she wants to enter the put tilak. When you come into then police ask, what is your Gotra? And just she also train. Actually, I did not know she is going on Sunday. My Gotra is, what is it called? Ashutra. What is the Ashutra? Jagannath Puri is very strict.
If you say Achyuta Gotra, they say which Gotra is this?
Eh?
They don't allow.
All Vaishnava is there, Achyuta Gotra. They want to Gotra here. Sandila Gotra, Bharadaj Gotra, Vasishtha Gotra. Eh? Understand? What is your Gotra? Gotra means, that is called actual Gotra means you are belongs to that rishi. All you actually belongs to different rishis. And some Vasishtha Gotra. Gotra means you are belongs to the source of your dynasty. Understand? Eh? Actual, our source of dynasty is all we are dynasty from What is called?
Manu.
Manu. And for this we are called Manushya. So I am saying you have to become human being. Veda also saying have to become human being. Not only just I am human being. Vedas also want what is it? What is what? Manushya Bana. You have to become human being. Human being. But then different rishis they manifest. तुम्हारे गोत्र क्या है? पता है? कुछ बुनिया गोत्र थोड़ी है। गोत्र होता है ऋषि नहीं, जैसे वशिष्ठ ऋषि, वशिष्ठ गोत्र है, वशिष्ठ, हम सांडिल्य गोत्र, सांडिल्य ऋषि, they are coming from the Sandilya Rishi. Everybody you have also some reason.
Just don't know.
Eh?
We just don't know.
We don't know. But origin is all we are belongs to Manu. Manu and Sataripa. Manu and Shutapa.
महाराज जी ब्राह्मणों का अलग होता है, क्षत्रियों का अलग, शूद्रों का अलग।
गोत्र एक गोत्र जो different गोत्र होता है। ये गोत्र is coming from the rishis. You are belong to Brahman or this is not the gotra. They are not asking you are Brahman or you are Shudra. Not caste. They are asking about gotra. Meaning which dynasty belong. People now slowly they forget their dynasty. If you India, they are also your what is called? Rashi Nakatra. Birth chart. Birth chart has been written there. This book. आपका बर्थ चार्ट है, उसमें लिखा है, आप मुझे देखा ना, यदि सिख पंडित किया तो उसमें लिखते हैं, देखा नहीं दिखा रहे, कौन ऋषि से आता है, उसे लिखा रहा है, रिटन नहीं किया है।
When you went there, they asked you your gotra also?
No. For him, no need.
No need to ask.
If a little bit, what is they not ask? If you little bit or the white color, then they ask. This body they cannot ask.
महाराज जी I think Basanti go inside Gundicha temple.
Gundicha temple is not famous, but Jagannath temple is very famous. But if you just this color, brown color or black color, or if you cheat, they understand. Bitali with you. This is not good. Oh, they prepare prasad or not? If she will go, they will stop. You say, oh, I am Punjabi. You say, I am?
Tem que falar que você é Punjabi.
Punjabi. They will ask what you wrote, Gotra.
Which answer?
They understand, they have some experience. You cheat or not? Sometimes okay, take prasad,
Pergunta que falou, quando as pessoas fazem isso não é bom, né? Entrar lá enganado, porque está burlando a lei deles, ou mesmo assim, enganar os ainda assim, muitas pessoas ficaram.
He's saying when people cheat, they are not Hindu and they enter, he's asking this is not good because you're breaking their law, or this is Anyway, very merciful you taking darshan of Jagannath.
Gurudev told, don't cheat. This is not the teaching of our Gurudev.
पर महाराज जी अब केस चल रहा है इसी के ऊपर सुप्रीम कोर्ट में केस चल रहा है क्योंकि कभी कुछ चेंज हो सकती है लोगों की केस चल रहा है ना सुप्रीम कोर्ट में
तो सोच के क्या होता है
और उसमें वोट डाल देंगे ऐसे कोई भी अलाउड हो जाएगा क्योंकि अब ज़्यादातर पुलिस के अंडर में है पूरा वो पूरा एरिया वो सब तोड़ फोड़ दिया ना पीछे से सब जगन्नाथपुरी का सब बिल्कुल क्लीन कर दिया वो सब तो वो पुलिस ने अंडर में ले लिया ना गवर्नमेंट ने
अरे इंदिरा गांधी कर नहीं पाया तो दूसरी क्या सुप्रीम कोर्ट क्या कर पाए वो जो करेगा वो मर जाएगा जो करेगा वो मरेगा जगन्नाथ इज वेरी पावरफुल जो करेगा जो आइन पास करेगा वही मर जाएगा क्या सोचते हो तो मुसलमान के क्यों मस्जिद में क्यों वो माना देते उसमें क्यों नहीं करते हिंदू के लिए उसमें क्यों है हम हिंदूवादी नहीं मुसलमानवादी नहीं फिर तो हो You understand? This is only that for the politics. Politician they are doing.
हमारा जो रजिस्ट्रेशन होता है पहले तो यहाँ चले जाते थे अब रजिस्ट्रेशन की बिना जा ही नहीं सकती है अब तो रजिस्ट्रेशन डाल दिया उन्होंने
नहीं अभी तो कोरोना के लिए कर रहे अच्छा ही है और एवरीथिंग बिलोंग्स डिपेंड ऑन कृष्ण दिस इज नॉट अवर सब्जेक्ट कृष्ण desire is best. Do not cheat. One devotee was same question. Same question is asked to if I go does these guys and take the Lord Jagannath, this is good. This is not our Lord does not want. Why? When Lord will want, then will go. He's saying, okay, when Supreme Court will be allow, then everything that we can go. That means Lord will allow them. Lord is this. This is what. By force, if you not do this. Is good or not?
No.
Why not? Otherwise, you will be take one hand alcohol, another hand meat. You to do the Jagannath darshan. This is not the truth. This is not true. Understand? If I tell too much, then you will be angry. Half naked go to Jagannath. Jagannath is opulent. Understand? Understand? Vaishnava, they don't follow the rule. They will be half naked and taking alcohol and another hand cow meat. Jagannath.
Like tourists. Like tourists.
Yes, that is their truth. If Jagannath wants, can go. This is not my subject. If Jagannath is okay, I want to see this. People can come. Even original. What's it called? The history of no, Haridas Thakur. He was Muslim, but his mother was Hindu, Brahman.
Oh yeah, he went to the war. He was injured and came back. What is his name?
Even Brahman did not allow. And Lord Jagannath himself came out from the temple and seated in front of the door. That is called which Jagannath? Padit Pavan Jagannath. What is your name? Oh, it's
Sarah, I forgot. Something. Sarojini, something like this.
Salve.
Salve.
Actual Salve, he born in the womb of an Brahman. But his his mother kidnapped by Muslim. So he belongs to Muslim. And so Salve, that Muslim, he want to coming from very far away. That's history there. The Salve's mother, Brahmani, you know. So one day, Brahmani told her son, Salve, listen, anytime any problem will come, just you remember to Lord Jagannath. And Lord Jagannath will help you. So Salve, that Muslim boy, he went in the battlefield with his father, a Muslim father. And also he completely wounded and about to die. Then he remembered, oh, my mother, Brahmani, told me, anytime, any circumstance, any calamity, you remember to Lord Jagannath, and Lord Jagannath helps you. So that time Salve about to die in the battlefield. Then he remembered to Lord Jagannath. Then Lord Jagannath direct appeared. And just giving his darshan, then all his wounds will disappear. He has so much faith, salvation, I will have to direct darshan to Lord Jagannath. Then he was running and coming in front of Lord Jagannath, Singha Darwaja, you know, lion gate, but Brahman stopped. Hey, you are Muslim. That time, Lord Jagannath himself came out from the inside the temple and gave darshan. That is called Padit Pavan Jagannath. The same Jagannath, but we are looking in the gate, main gate, and same Jagannath inside there. Look there. Lord Jagannath gave darshan to him. But he did not allow inside the temple. He took darshan to Lord Jagannath. That you can see darshan, everybody can do.
I Maharaji, I touch Jagannath. I go garb gire inside.
Yeah. We went with Gurudev also there. You get the
Deep
money,
Maharaj,
the money, if you put there on the Lord's feet of Lord Jagannath, they cannot take. But if the money, they will take from you. They are very joking. The Pandas, they are very close. Expert. Yes. Oh, Prasad ready or not?
Yes.
Otherwise I speak Hari Katha. Jagannath. Jagannath is so sweet. And Prasad. Very sweet. Darshan, Jagannath Darshan.
मैं माधव महाराज पतित महाराज हम सब गए थे अंदर 2012 जी आते हैं.
Yeah. No, I went once or twice with Gurudev Nanavishnu. At the ashram, what month? Purushottama. 2004 Purushottama month in Jagannath Puri. Understand? That time I think you didn't come or not. Basanti Shiva there, no? That time is Jagannath Puri and 1 month program is there, Purushottama. We are staying in the temple of Bhakti Madhav Goswami Maharaj. With Gurudev and some Indian devotee also. They are very kind. But Pandas, they are very good. If you see your hand money, then.
Wave one finger.
Huh?
Wave one
Take from
finger.
your hand.
Huh?
They take from your hand.
Oh.
Pandas, they take.
No, I did not shoot them. When I inside Lord Jagannath is there, then I just
Close tightly.
I did not shoot them. If they see your hand, money, then they will go there. And they use their also some harsh words in their language, Uriya language. Then you can do pranam, then very quickly put on the feet of Lord Jagannath.
वो कलश है ना, वो जगन्नाथ जी का, सुभद्रा का, बलराम जी का कलश है ऐसी.
आप जगन्नाथ जी के चरण में दे दो तो वो लोग
वो उस कलश में से नहीं लेंगे, वो कलश है ना 3, उसमें से लेंगे.
उसमें नहीं लेंगे. Before going if you see your hand, then do it. And they use many harsh words. Yeah, to be nonsense words. And giving, what is it called? Gali. Gali, understand?
They insults.
Abusing words.
Using words like palavras abusivas, né?
Yeah. Good or not? So you will go Jagannath Darshan.
Patit Pavan.
Okay, you can say I have come from Punjab. You learn some Gujarat.
I tried, but they stopped me. But I could see Patita Pavan, they allowed to go there and do pranayama.
रथ यात्रा में देख सकते हैं सब रथ यात्रा में।
But this Lord comes out once a year, take darshan to him. Yes. Understand? And sometimes Lord, Jagannath staying in Gundicha temple, outside of Gundicha temple, 2 days. He did not go inside. That time everybody can do embracing.
It's the same Jagannath that we can see
Yes, yes.
inside. He come out. It's the same thing.
Yeah, same.
Vigrah, yeah. Same Vigrah.
A mesma deidade.
Lord Jagannath. That is called Padit Pavan Jagannath.
No, he's asking when Ratha Yatra is coming, Jagannath is coming outside from the temple. So he's asking, this same one who is inside is coming in the Rath.
Yeah. Inside is the same Jagannath. Of course.
Prabhu, Deus fala no livro Jagannatha, e Jagannatha manifestou em várias eras diferentes, né? E foram até encontrados artefatos históricos, né? De templos antigos do Senhor Jagannatha, de outras épocas. Nós perguntamos ao Shri Gurudev se é a mesma manifestação dessa Jagannatha que tem hoje lá, né? Ou se é outra manifestação.
Oh, they prepare prasadam now.
Yeah, they're Basanti and Govinda, they are preparing.
Oh, they are preparing breakfast there,
Yes.
not here.
No, because you told too much.
Oh, okay, we'll go. Take prasad there.
Gurudev, Krishna Mantra Prabhu, he's saying that in the book of Ratha Yatra that Gurudev wrote, in many different times, Jagannath manifested in different ways, in different ages, different stories. So he's asking if this manifestation of Jagannath is the same one as it is now in the temple, same one manifested in these other ways.
No, the same with it. There's no difference. It's same Jagannath. Actually, original Jagannath is manifested by Indradumna Maharaj. You know, Indradumna Maharaj Katha, Satta Juga. Understand that?
Ele está falando que não existe diferença, né? Que é o mesmo Jagannath que manifestou. Ele está falando o Jagannath original se manifestou a história de Indradumna Maharaj, né? Se você conhece a história, mas que não existe diferença.
Jagannath, actual, who is called? That is called, what is called? Nil Madhav. Nil Madhav, now manifested in the form of Lord Jagannath. But you can see the Nil Madhav, you can go, they are also Nil Madhav Thakurji, they are 400.
You can see also the statue.
Yeah, yeah. Have you been there? No.
No, good.
You didn't know about Nil Madhav?
No, I never went Jagannath Puri, never went Nilamada. No good fortune.
Where is Nilamada? Where is Nilamada?
Nil Madhav from Jagannath Puri to maybe, not so far, maybe 150 kilometers.
You'll not go. You are Parikama, you'll not go in there.
This time I did not go.
I never went.
Sometimes you have to go, sometimes not go. Because this is very fast. Then if you go, then actually whole day. And 4 hours going and 4 hours coming. 8 hours. And then
Just
maybe
traveling.
2 hours have to take first prasad, darshan is there. 10 hours. Actually whole day. Sometimes you go, take some bus and something. Very fast. And the road is not also good. Very rough, you know. Bus is going up, down.
Bumpy road.
And not so bad. not good roller.
But I heard that like there is some period, I don't remember how long, like every 10 years or something like this, they every 10 years, like they do it 12?
Every 12 years.
12 years they
Change.
Jagannath Vigraha they okay.
Nava Kaliva.
Okay.
They are doing this.
Yeah.
So what is your question?
No, I just want to know if this true or not. Yeah,
Yes, of course.
they put then they put the Vigraha in, like in Samadhi. What they do with the
No, they put the samadhi.
yeah, because I heard like not good form, like was not from Vaishnava, so that's why I'm asking.
Or sometimes they also doing, this is called Smarta Brahmana they are doing. Huh? So they are doing this. Even Srimad Bhagavatam also explain when last verse is when Krishna, how Krishna departed from the world. Two ways. Krishna, he departed from this material Prabhas with his own or his associates. Or another also they saw their body, they also bound, even will go Prabhas. We are going to just we come from Bhuj. Bhuj to be not so many far, only 5 hours. Bhuj, no, how is it?
Gujarat. Then Jamnagar.
Jamnagar to there is only 2 hours. Maybe next time we go. Dwarka.
Yes.
Huh? Yeah. I'm not interested to go Dwarkapuri. Many times I'm going very close, but
Never go.
Krishna did not allow. Krishna did not arrange. Why didn't he?
Not putting too much effort to go.
Yeah. If you want, you can go.
Otherwise, we got a stamp and it's material rejected.
It's not that true. Pan Guru Maharaj many times over he went. Gurudev also went in there.
Bhakti Pragyana. Bhakti Pragyana Keshava.
Okay, take prasad, chalo.